So Sosovalue season 2 airdrop have now been confirmed. But today's video, the purpose of today's video is the affiliate pool of Sosovalue season 2. Okay, so if you go to the X account, you can see this. So here they said Sosovalue season 2 affiliate program, reward are live. Miss the season 1 Soso Airdrop frenzy, where top winners earn 100,000 K Soso. Now your chance. So season 2 POW Airdrop quarter 1 2026 up to 30 million Soso up for grabs. Exclusive perks for season 2 affiliate. Enjoy dual reward push, double win or on general affiliate exclusive Soso reward push. So get by monthly Soso and official shout out as leader board heroes and up to 20% XP rebate from invite continuously. So it's the same as this what I read earlier. So you can see up to 30 million Soso season 2 POW airdrop quarter 1 2026 double win with affiliate exclusive pool. So this is how it is. So if you go to the affiliate program on your app, so here you can see this is the affiliate program that they are doing. So this will double your allocation. This double your allocation. So the airdrop you are farming is different than this. So this is another opportunity to boost your earnings. So check the link in the description section or the comment section of this video. So after you have registered on the link, so here you see your total rebate XP. So you can see the one you are money is just XP and this is the rebate XP. So this will increase your earnings, it will boost your earnings. So if you locate after registration to come here, so other way you can increase your rebate minus by invite also your friends. So tap on the start invite. So here you can see you tap on the save here, tap on it. So after tap on you pick any mimi here. So pick mimi. So let me pick this. So save next. So you can see you can copy your link. So you can see copy successful. So after copy the link and you share to your friend also register through your link, you also be credited the rebate points here. So it's simple. I mean you get a point. So after you want to check maybe if your friend you send the link to you, he have registered. So you also want to check you accumulate some point of rebate. So if you come to here, come to the XP section here, tap on it. So you can here you can see affiliate revenue. So welcome to affiliate season 2 up to 30 million Soso season 2 airdrop 2026 quarter 1. Enjoy exclusive push. So the main launch of this airdrop is quarter 1 of 2026. So they will launch all together. So tap on let's go. So after tap on let's go, it will load. After load, you can see here you can check your rebate. So here you can see I have 0 rebate. Yeah, so this is how it is. So if you're interested, consider to subscribe to this channel, like, check the description section or the comment section, and join my Telegram channel. See you guys in my next video.